Okay guys, this is the finishing results of that jacket that I made. So guys, you can pick this red leather fabric up from I'm sorry, this jacket came from Wilson's Leather, but what I'm trying to say is that the fabric came from Joanne fabric, and you guys can make the tassels much smaller, and I just put a little belt to tie it to close it together. And you can wear it. I just got it on now like a top, but I probably will wear it with a shirt. I just wanted, you guys always like to see what it looked like when it's done, so I always like to show you guys what it looked like when it's done. Let's try to see if I can stand it up. That'd be y'all whole thing. Y'all want to see what it do. See guys, this is what it do. This is what it looks like. So this is the end result of the tassel jacket that I made, and I added the red that I got from Joann's fabric onto the bottom. Made it out of a crop top, but I just wanted something different. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a happy day. Okay, alrighty guys, over and out.